Hi, welcome to the world of Learn and Grow. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Red Hat Linux operating system. Here we start our downloading module first. Please click the first link as you can see. Red Hat website loaded in your browser, and if you have account there then click Login. There are a variety of Red Hat flavors, you can choose any one of them according to your need. But in this video, we are downloading Red Hat Linux Server 8.
If you already have an account on the website, then please log in, otherwise you should be registered on the website and create an account.
Here you can see different versions of Linux operating system. Choose any one of them according to the specifications of your machine and requirement. Here you can see the file is began to downloading. Wait for a few minutes for the completion of downloading.